What's up guys? Welcome back. Another vlog starting in the car. I feel like we don't do much, but whenever we're vlogging, we're driving. Anyway, we are leaving the house. It's actually late. I'm starting to vlog really late. It's 3 o'clock, but I have some errands to run and things to go pick up at like Target and whatnot. I do have to get gas, so I'm gonna just head into the area where there's a Sam's Club so I can just get gas at Sam's, and gonna go pick up some things. So I am getting my second vaccine. I like told you guys on Instagram, but I'm getting my second vaccine tomorrow, so you are gonna see this video after. But anyway, I just want to pick up like Gatorade and grab and go things for Sydney to have, just in case I am unwell. I'm nervous about the whole thing, nervous about getting it, nervous, you know, would be nervous about not getting it. So that's just me, an overly anxious person anyway, but I'm gonna try to prepare and hope that I don't need any of this. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing today. Basically this morning I was uploading a video, and then had to speak with someone because I'm getting a door finally installed on Sydney's room. It's been so long, and honestly, like, it's just been so long. I've gone back and forth with so many different style doors and whatnot, and I was unable to do the barn style door, and then I was gonna do everything myself, and then I can't, and then whatever. So I'm just spending the money, hired someone, and they're gonna come install the door. I'm waiting for a call back on the appointment, but everything is a go and measured and whatnot, but that will be exciting. And then I have some wallpaper coming in for Sydney's room, so things are finally getting started. It still hasn't shipped though yet, so I don't know when. With everything and shipping times, you know how it goes right now. But I'm really, really excited to just make some progress, and I feel like things are happening. And then I had a shutter fly off of my house or garage a couple weeks ago when it was windy, so that person was out today. So just a lot of like, you know, task things getting done. I forgot my purse with my wallet in it. I drove all the way down here. I can't even get gas, and I'm low on gas.
That's okay.
Oh my gosh, I have a low gas tank, and
that means a tire will be, that means we'll be stuck here.
no. Oh, I don't know if I have enough gas to get home.
We'll be stuck here. We'll be stuck here forever.
We won't be stuck forever, no. I wonder if I can buy a gift card online, since I know. Let's try this again. Oh, that was such an ordeal. Not really, it's just having to drive an extra hour. So I wasn't gonna make it home. Well, I might have, but I was stressing out. So a bunch of you on Instagram were telling me, asking me if I had Apple Pay, which I have not set up Apple Pay. Apparently I need to immediately. And while I was looking up like what gas stations take Apple Pay, I found Shell has an app, and you can pay through PayPal or Apple Pay. So I was able to get gas at Shell, just downloading their app and using PayPal. Thank goodness. Look what I found, and I'm so excited about. Hey guys, another day, same hat. Just got out of my appointment for the second vaccine. So anyway, crossing my fingers. But we are in line at Dunkin's. I have a free birthday beverage and I wanted to get some egg and cheese on croissants for breakfast. I still haven't eaten breakfast. Sydney has, but of course she's starving. You know how that goes. So grabbing a coffee and some breakfast sandwiches. On the agenda today, I would love to clean my car a little bit.
Can I clean your car?
Yep, you can help me. And then we'll play outside. Hold please, I have to pay. Yeah, so I want to clean my car. I think I gotta do I want to do a load of laundry or whatnot. And then, pretty much try to relax mentally. And yeah, it'll all be fine. Everything's gonna be fine. Oh, I just remembered, I have to go return some books at the library.
I'm so hungry.
Yes, I'll get you at, honey. It is hot though, so we're gonna have to wait just a minute. And then, yeah, yesterday I just picked up, since it took me so long, I picked up that Target order, or whatever. Picked up my things at Target, finally. It took us all day, and by the time we got home, it was bedtime. So my whole day was running back and forth. Anyway, don't know where else the day is gonna take us, just housework. This is so good. I love the mocha lattes from Dunkin's, especially when they're free.
Unicorn book.
You're not gonna miss the unicorn book?
No, because now my shorts took them out and horses on my book.
Okay.
I have cute friends, and I'm not gonna miss my whiteberry book.
Aww. We did the children's book stack. I gotta order another one here soon. But I love that they're doing it that way, where you can order online and just get a children's book stack. Sydney enjoys it a lot.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow.
So I ended up... Well, hang on. I ended up bringing Sydney to the park, as you saw, as we were driving home from.
Drinking juice.
Oh yeah, and she's drinking juice. Anyway, so I was driving home from putting the books back at the library, whatever, putting them in the drop slot. I was like, let's go to the park for just a little bit. So I let Sydney run around, get some energy out, and now I need to tackle my my car. Hopefully the wind is not too bad. I just have like masks on masks and trash and what else. I'm gonna clean out my car a little bit and let Sydney run around and get fresh air more.
There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
this kid to work. Watch it good. Sydney did so well at cleaning my car. It's so sparkling clean. I did what I could with the equipment that I have as far as vacuuming goes. Like, it really needs a huge detailing job, but I'm not worried about it. And now I'm gonna pick up the house just a little bit. I just have like light housework to do.
This is a good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has so clear a light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny.
So they came, oh goodness, they came yesterday, and the landscapers came and stirred up all of the mosquitoes. We were doing so well, we had no mosquitoes at all, and then they came up yesterday and stirred up all of the bugs. So we have so many mosquitoes just right here. So I am gonna spray the yard actually with what I sprayed last year. Can't remember what it's called, like Barefoot Yard or something. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray it right now since we don't have rain. And then I think I'm gonna try to relax for the rest of the evenings and shower. This is what I used last year and it worked really well, so I still have it. I don't know if it's expired or not, but I still have it, so I am gonna attach this to my hose and spray. We played outside for quite a while actually, and I ended up making a lazy man's pasta. This is just like a cream sauce, garlic cream sauce that I quickly whipped up, and I threw some tomatoes on there because apparently I'm out of broccoli and peas, which is what I would have put in there. Anyway, so that is what we're having for dinner, just a lazy man's kind of pasta. So I'm not gonna lie, I am starting to get that dull pounding headache, and I'm just gonna mentally fight through it. I'm drinking a lot. I'm like so sick of drinking liquids. I've drank so much Gatorade and water today. I just opened a seltzer, but I am fine. Like, nothing bothers me. I have a high threshold for things, and I know this is just the beginning stages if I'm gonna have any symptoms. I think I'm gonna call it quits for this vlog. I know it's a little bit shorter, but I'm gonna call it quits because I know I need to rest. I need to take a shower after I put Sydney to bed. I'm gonna take a shower and just try to go to bed really early. So in case you missed my Q&A, I said that I wanted to try to do an upload schedule of Monday and Wednesday for sure, and then if I have an extra video, do it, you know, maybe Sunday or something, like Friday or Sunday. So just be on the lookout for that. So no matter what, you guys will see a video on Monday and Wednesday. I'm really gonna try to push for that. And otherwise, you know, if we get another video up later this week, then you will see one, but it just depends on how the rest of the week goes. So I'll talk to you guys then. Bye.
But they've all gone out the window of this car, and when I